This is a video of the skin of the Ally Canoe. First walk you down the middle. So you can see the middle is in excellent shape. There are no holes in this boat at all. It is completely seaworthy, floats great. You saw the bottom's completely intact. So is the middle. Nothing you have to repair on the skin. This boat is used. I bought it used. You can see there is a little bit of wear on the sides. This is where most likely the former owner, rubbed against a tree or something, dock maybe. There's a couple of those along the edge. Doesn't affect the performance at all, but you can see there's a little bit of wear showing on the exterior. It doesn't wear all the way through the skin, but it's got some miles on it. We used this on a 12-day trip in an extremely remote wilderness of Alaska. Performed great, no issues. We couldn't manage. Like I said, there's a little bit of wear showing. This is nowhere near the water line. It's all up around the, the aluminum poles, the highest poles that go through the center that make a frame. And that's just, like I said, I'm sure that's just where it rubbed up against a tree or a dock. Alright, this canoe is not assembled, but I wanted to show you. This kind of gives you an idea of what it's going to look like when it's inside of the frame. And the field repair that I had to do on this unit, this is how the seat basically goes together. You've got a little plastic clip. Looks like this, and it's going to snap in place between two other plastic clips. Normally those plastic clips look just like that. I had a problem with one of the rivets broke and allowed the plastic clip to slide. And what happened is when it slides, this piece is moved and the seat moved. So I basically just put it back together. And took tape and reinforced around here so that it prevented those black pieces of plastic from sliding. Only one of the rivets actually came out, but since I had the thing completely apart, we just wanted to do a little preventative medicine so that none of those other rivets popped out. These two pieces get a lot of stress just because it's the seat, and when you're moving around the seats, this piece can move fore and aft, and it puts a little bit of tension or compression on these pieces. And that's what makes them fail eventually. This black plastic worked good. Like I said, the rivet popped on about, I want to say, day 5. We did this on about day 5, and it made it all the way up to day 12. This is the original field repair we did, and it's completely intact. We didn't have any trouble with it after that was done. There are places online where you can buy replacement parts, such as these black pieces here. I'm looking to see if I can find some of these. If I can, I'll just repair it myself. If I can't, maybe you'll be able to do that yourself. We'll come up with some maybe PVC pipe and a rivet to replace those and make them a little more robust.